Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us solve question number 2 from exercise number 1.1 of chapter number 1 real numbers of class 10. So in the second main question, there are 3 questions, 3 sub questions. Second main question is find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So the first sub question of this main question is 26 and 91. Two numbers have been given. We have to find the LCM and HCF of these two numbers, and also we have to verify LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So for that, first we are doing prime factorization. 26 can be divided by 2. If we divide it by 2, we get 13. Then 13 can be divided by 13 itself, and we get 1. After prime factorizing 26, we will write the factors. Prime factors of 26 are 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Similarly, we have to do the prime factorization of 91. So we are doing here prime factorization. That means we have to use only prime numbers for the division. So 91 can be divided by 7. If we divide 91 by 7, we get 1 7s are 7. Then 2 will remain. 2 with 1 becomes 21. Then 3 7s are 21. Now 13 can be divided by 13 itself. We are using only prime numbers for the division. 13 can be divided by 13. So the prime factors of 91 are 7 into 13. Now we got the prime factors. First we will write the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So among the factors that we have got, we will see which is common and highest. So here you can see 13 is the common factor and highest common factor. So HCF is 13. For LCM, we will write all the factors that we have got for both the numbers. So 2, 13 and 7 are the factors that we have got. But 13 we will write only one time. So we don't write it repeatedly. 13 we will write only one time. So LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. By multiplying these three, we will get the LCM. Remember, the common factor will be written only one time. So 13 I have written only one time to find the LCM. So 7 2s are 14 into 13. If we multiply 14 with 13, we get 182. So LCM is 182. You can do the multiplication in the working column. By multiplying 14 into 13, we get 182. So let us multiply it once in the working column. So 14 into 13. First multiply 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12. So 1 will remain. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So it became 42. Then 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. So after adding, we get 182 is the LCM. So first in the question it is given to find the LCM and HCF that we have found. HCF is 13 and LCM is 182. Now we have to verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. The two numbers are the numbers which are given in the question, that is 26 into 91. We will write down the formula or the equation. So we will use it as a formula. So in the left hand side, we will multiply LCM, that is 13 into HCF 182 is equal to, in the right hand side, we will multiply the two numbers 26 into 91. So we have to get both the answers same. So in the right hand side and in the left hand side, we should get the same answer after multiplication. So first let us multiply 182 into 13, that is LCM into HCF. So By multiplying 3 with 2, we get 3 2s are 6. Then 3 8s are 24. So 4 will be written, 2 will be carried to the next number. 3 1s are 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3. With 2 it becomes 5. Next, multiply 1 with 2. 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8 and 1 1s are 1. After adding these two we get 6. Then 4 plus 2 6 again. 5 plus 8 13 and 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 2366. We got 2366 in the left hand side after multiplying LCM with HCF. Now in the right hand side also we should get the same answer. Let us multiply the two numbers 91 into 26. So first multiply with 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 9s are 54. Next, in the next step, we will multiply 2 with the two numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. After adding these two, we get 6. Then 4 plus 2 also is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So here also we got the same answer, 2366. So our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence we verified that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So this is how we have to solve these questions from this main. There are two more questions that we will solve in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and keep following.